welcome to Hot Recipe. Today we're gonna make stir-fried rice noodle with shrimp oil. This is the first time for me to cook it. I'm so excited today. Let's get started. I got shrimp. I'm gonna take the orange out. This one I call shrimp oil, or I call in Thai man gung. Sometimes I call shrimp fat. Maybe you call something else. Please let me know by making a comment below this video. The shrimp for 2 servings. It depends on how many would you like to add in your dish. So now we got it, we're gonna leave it for later. Now we're gonna remove the entrail. And then peel back the shell. After we finish prepare shrimp, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of mushroom sauce, then marinate for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead to mixing sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, teaspoon of paprika, add some salt, add 2 tablespoons of golden mountain sauce, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and mix well. After mix well, I'm gonna add more shrimp paste with soybean oil. This is shrimp paste with soybean oil. We call in Thai man gung savoi. You can find it at the Asian store or shopping online. And we're gonna mix well. I got hot water to soak the noodles. I got rice noodle. You can use any kind of noodles you wish. I'm gonna soak it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna remove them onto a plate. Now we're ready to go. Heat the wok. Add cooking oil. Add garlic, stir fry until get a little brown. Add carrot and red pepper in. Add Chinese kale in. And then remove the veggies to the sides of the wok and add the shrimps in. Remove to the sides again. Add a little more cooking oil and add 2 eggs. Continue stirring to mix well. Use over medium heat to make sure everything gets dry. And I want the egg get a little brown. It tastes so good. And then we're gonna remove it for later. Now I'm gonna use the same wok. Add cooking oil. Add garlic in and use over low heat. I'm gonna stir fry garlic and shrimp oil together. Continue stirring until you get smell from the garlic and shrimp oil. That's how you know you're ready to add the noodles in. So now we're ready to add noodles in. We're gonna mix very well. Look at the noodles, we don't have any liquids in. Yes, that's what I want. After mix well, add vegetable in and our sauce. And then mix well again. Finally, turn the heat up and add green onion. That's it, we're done. Time to eat. Alright everyone, time to enjoy. Creamy, sweet, it tastes really good. When you cook shrimp oil with garlic, make sure you get aroma from shrimp oil and then add your noodles in. I'm sure and confirm that your noodle will taste and smell so good. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget that if you like my dish, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!